Hi there, everybody. We're going live. A little chair cardio core. March it out. 3 times we're going to kick, 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 march, march, march. Just do that over and over again until you got it. Kick, kick, kick. I'm using music that's about 135 or more. Kick, kick. So I'm going to start to travel this. So just hang on in there. Let's go. Hi. So it's 3, 2, 1. Back step it. 3, 2. Notice the outside leg is leading. And I'm putting some energy into the hand out here. Push. Then I'm going to change this pretty quickly to get that heart rate up. Let's go. Knees, knees, knees. Now I'm teaching this pretty slow so that you can replay this again to your favorite tunes. One more time. Then give me a repeater right here. Pull the knees. Then 4 taps, but instead I'm going to use this chair to lift my body weight. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plyo it. Then we're going to do a hamstring curl. Pump, pump. Now you can do jacks, but I'm going to do plyos. Push off that chair. Again. Music isn't too fast. Then I'm going to do the whole thing on the other side. Outside leg. Back step. Working around an obstacle is great for brain training because you have to really figure things out as you go. Give me knees up. Try and get them over your hips. Let's do a couple more. Last one right here. Then let's do that repeater. Push 4 times, plyo. And again, plyo. Then that hamstring curl. Jacks or double taps. You're using those abs right there. Use that core, shoulders, hips, and legs. Give me mambo. 4 times. Then a cha-cha to the other side. Mambo. Then only 1. Travel it. Push off. Get that heart rate up. I'm only with you for about 5. Couple more. Then here we go. Lunges. 3 lunges. Woo! Yeah. Pull that knee up. Then watch the change. Sumo. Get those legs working to get the heart rate up. 1 more. Last one. Then that mambo. 4 times. Take it to the other side. 4 times. The bigger you go, the better. Then single. Give me 1 more. And then right into those lunges. 3, 2, 1, pull. So I'm going to turn these again 4 times so that you got it. 1, turn. My sumo's kind of wide here. Make sure your knees are inside your ankles. I'm going to do 2 more. Last one. Then I'm going to sit it down right here. Reach. Here's that core part of this workout. Lean back. Oh yeah. My bottom leg has got very little weight in it. So I'm focusing on extension. Let's take it over to the other side. Reach. Pull. Give me a few more, just like that. Squeeze. Oh my goodness, we only have a few more seconds to go. Let's finish out that core. Out. Lift. Lift. Keep that pelvis tilted so you're not arching your back. You can use no arms if you feel strong enough, or use the chair. Then I'm going to add a squat. Push. Couple more. You can jump it, plyo it, reach it out. I've got about 15 more seconds. We're going to finish it with a extended bicycle, Keep those abs engaged. Shoulders relaxed, pelvis tilted. Oh, I'm sweating. Press. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Catch me on Friday for live Flexibility Friday. I'm also going to hang out for some questions and answers. Finish it. Last set. Couple more. Have a great day. Catch me later.